Come and enjoy these.
The sun is shining up so high, bluebirds singing in the sky. No more coats, no frosty toes, just summer hats and garden hose. Watermelon big and sweet, juicy mangoes we can eat. Popsicles in colors bright, orange, pink, and lemon white. Let's pack a bag and go to the beach, build sandcastles within our reach. Dig with shovels, splash and swim, wear our shades and take a dip. Sunny days are here again, with laughter, games, and happy friends. We run and skip, we slide and swing. Oh, what joy the summer brings. Hold the string and let it go. Watch the kite rise high and low. Colors dancing in the breeze, like butterflies among the trees. Butterflies and buzzing bees, climbing up the apple trees. Picking flowers, chasing bugs, rolling down the grassy rugs. Make a stand with cups and cheer. Lemonade, come buy it here. Pour the juice, add sugar too. A summer drink for me and you. Even stars begin to glow. Lightning bugs put on a show. We sit outside, the air is cool, telling stories after school. Sunny days sing we and spin, with sandy toes and sunshine grin. From morning light to evening fun, summer joy for